crafty friends, Candia here with For the Love of Paper and Ink. Back to share with you my May design team project for Luise Heinzl. I'm using her digital kit, Crafty Critters, and I wanted to share with you what I made for the month. It's a fun little kit that has these fun, funky little critters. My favorite is this crocodile that she created. I on the cover here put this wax seal that has the number 3 and kind of embraced the 3 with 3 elements and 3 buttons. Put some scissors on the front and did some lace, some grungy lace, and used this old book cover that is a little bit worn. So on the inside I put this pocket for colored pencils because this kit has, one of the parts of the kit has coloring pages in it. So I have this pocket here with some scissors again, showing that these critters from the craft room embrace the craftiness of the craft room. I have some dyed papers in here and some stenciled papers in here. Here's one of the coloring book pages. Some fun tags. I did some washi tape. Added some fun colorful scrapbook paper that I thought went very well with the kit. The kit pages are really cute, and I will link in the description box below the kits. Did some sewing. Did some tuck spots on the top. Added in some paper clips with the cute tags. Some cute pockets. There's lots of tags and pockets and belly bands in the kit. The critters are fun and funky. And I stamped the names of the kit animals on the pages that have this little spot for them, because I thought that would be fun. There is a part of the kit that has a definitions and names of all the animals, and I'll link that part in the description below as well. I didn't use that part in this kit. I was going for the vibrant parts of the kit. I wanted a real colorful book. I added this little tag to the pocket of this kit so that you could have a little tuck spot on this tag. So these coloring pages will be fun to color and add some more color to this kit. Another little belly band from the kit. The crocodile. A couple of fun crafty ladies. Some of the pages I tore up and added to the other pages. Another tag. The lace addicted brown bear. An Eco Dye Marguerite. Some more ruffles I added into the page. The Fussa Fan Octopus. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably not. So there is that journal. and I will be listing it in my shop. So if anybody is interested in it, you can check that out, and the link will be in the description box below. And then this journal, as you can see, is a little bit of a wide mouth. So there is a lot more tags that came with this kit that didn't get put in the journal. So they will be coming with whoever purchases the journal. They will be coming for the person to use separately or to add into the journal themselves if they so wish. So you will get all the tags that come with the kit in a little envelope to come with the journal. So that is this design team for May, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and check out Luise Heinzl's Etsy shop if you want to purchase this kit and make a journal with the kit yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and if you want to see more of the videos like these ones, please click over and watch those, and hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!